Hello, this is Tiff of Tiff's Creatives, and I am popping in because my channel has hit 110 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited. Gosh, I never thought I'd even have one, so it's just so exciting to me. I know for some people it may not be as big of a deal, but I'm just appreciative and honored to have each and every one of you on my channel. And I am still recovering from surgery, so I've become proficient with my walker, getting to use the cane some now, and my little picker-upper. Those things are actually pretty amazing. I can't believe how well they really do work. And then like my little bag hanging there for all my odds and ends. I hope to be putting out a couple videos here in the near future, even just little ones from my recovery bed. And just share with you things that you can do when you are facing recovery from anything. So I have another surgery coming up in 2 weeks on my back, and then hopefully after that, and I am healed, I won't be having to do any more surgeries for a while. Don't let anything keep you down, and happy crafting. Bye. Thanks again, 110 subscribers. Yay!